May I come in, sir?
Yes, come.
Okay, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Rakesh Kumar. I completed my law from Mumbai University. I served Navy for 20 years. After retirement, I have joined IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, in Panipat Refinery. And since last year, I was preparing for Marla, and I was able to clear judicial mains exam for Haryana.
Okay. So, any specific reason to become a judicial officer? Because as you already serving in Panipat Refinery.
Yes, sir. In Panipat Refinery, I am just serving as a technician in electrical department. But as in judge, I am finding the convergence of my various ambitions and the wishes, aspirations of my father and my daughter especially, and my instance to do the justice to the society and the nation at large.
So, what do you mean by justice?
Justice is to deliver the goods and values according to the entitlements, and in a fair and reasonable manner.
Okay. So, as a judicial officer, how can you map fairness?
Fairness, sir, is a measurement that the things are done according to the principles of natural justice, that no one is done prejudiced against without any mistake, and there should to be no condemnation of anybody without hearing his side.
Mr. Rakesh, have you read Mahabharata?
I have not read, sir. I have
you not
seen.
read Mahabharata? You have seen?
I have seen, sir. In class 6th or 7th class, is his syllabus in Haryana.
So tell me this one thing.
Sir.
With whom justice was done in the Mahabharata?
Justice was with Draupadi, we can say, as female. It was done, and in large it was for the society. Sir.
For that, you explain how justice was delivered to Draupadi.
By way of war, it leads to the war. It was tried at best to solve the dispute earlier through various negotiations by Lord Krishna.
So by war, it was done.
Yes.
And who inflicted war upon whom?
War included by Pandavas. It was Pandavas,
So Pandavas
instigated by Kauravas, Duryodhana.
If somebody would come out and say that Draupadi said something bad about the families of the Kaurava and she eventually started something, then whether they were right in inflicting justice on their part. What I'm trying to say, justice is very subjective.
Sir.
So when you want to give justice to the world, how can you ensure it?
Sir, it must be proportional, sir. The words used by Draupadi were not of so grievous nature that their all entitlement to their rule was taken by Kauravas. It must be proportional. Justice should to be done in proportional according to the offense. The punishment must not be more and in an aggravated form than the crime.
So what is your theory about bail?
Bail, sir, is the
because right now we
bail
are
is-
seeing
yes, sir.
we are seeing a trend wherein we see that people without even starting of the trial are locked up behind bars for 2 years, 1.5 years, and after a point of time they would come out scot free of the whole case. So would you call it justice that we lock up people for 1 year when the trial has not started, and eventually when trial ends they come out as scot free?
Sir,
How do you create a balance in that?
Sir, it depends on the circumstances, and the procedural laws provide just like criminal procedure code. Recently, in the case of Stendhal Antil and Siddharth versus State UP, bail is the rule and jail is the exception, as said by Honorable Supreme Court in recent judgment.
But is it being followed?
So it depends on the circumstances.
You can just say yes or no. It is a very simple question. Is it being followed?
Not always.
3 days back, the Supreme Court has said that every magistrate in the country appears to have forgotten it.
Yes, the Supreme Court has said that it is not being followed, but depending on the circumstances, bail has to be restricted also to do complete justice, because that person may influence a witness, and that person also will try to flee the justice.
Can there be a presumption that somebody, if allowed to go out of the premises, would affect the imparting of justice? Can we presume something? Or your opinions are based upon the facts of the case?
Yes, sir. Opinion must be based on the facts, sir. Presumption in that way is wrong, because liberty is paramount according to the Constitution.
What sort of presumptions are allowed in the law, and under what sections of the Evidence Act?
So presumption, first of all, presumption of facts.
It is allowed. Presumption of facts is allowed. Under which section?
So presumption unavailability of consent, sir, in section 114A.
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 Of the old Act.
Yes. Old Act of Independence Act. And
That is one.
And 113B and 113A, both having presumption about dowry death and death of a woman within 7 years of the marriage.
What are the essential ingredients of presumption under section 113B of Indian Evidence Act?
Dowry death, in case of dowry deaths, are the immediate harassment by the relatives of the husband, and the cause must be related to the death cause must be related to the that harassment and dowry demand. Both these two are the basic
Are you sure
in
they
case
are
of should
only
be
two?
met. These are the first to be met, sir. And then after that, then depending upon the circumstances and facts, there may be additional.
What about the marriage?
Marriage in Hindu.
113B presumption
Sir,
prior to 7 years, or even it is can applicable after the 7 year also.
in 113B, there is no such clause, sir. I think presently I am not able to recollect that. Sir.
Do you know how many cases are pending in state of Haryana? Do you know about the pendency of cases?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't know exact numbers. Sir.
So tell me, if you become a judicial officer, what is the best way to deliver justice expeditiously?
Sir, in case of civil procedure code, sir, in civil suits, the interrogation provision provided under CPC has been interrogatories, and that is not being used by both parties. In that way, half of the disputes can be settled out, can be made, and the real point of dispute can be brought out easily if we use the method of interrogatories under CPC. Under criminal procedure code, in the criminal cases, there is a requirement of fast investigation, fast medical reports, expeditious medical
So
reports.
basically nothing is to be done on the part of the judicial officer, it is to be done on the part of the police investigating agency.
Judicial officer also, sir, is to not to postpone the cases.
But it is already given in the CRPC that adjournment is not to be granted, the cases are to be done on day-to-day basis.
Sometimes are on frivolous grounded and unnecessary grounded adjournments are being
How
asked.
how you will counter it?
Then we will have to look it a little bit in detail, more details, so that we can find out that this request is genuine or the request is just for delaying the justice.
There is a medical given by some person. The medical says the person today is suffering from viral and cannot come to the court. Kindly grant the adjournment. How will you examine it? Either you will call the doctor, that will obviously prolong the trial. How will you examine the detail? Because obviously when something is presented to you on the paper,
So,
you cannot recollect and you cannot figure it out by just simply seeing at it. So how will you look it into detail?
Sir, in the first instance, sir, we cannot take the advocate because advocates are also a law officer of the court. So we'll have to believe in the
them.
first instance.
You have to
in
believe
the
them.
first instance, sir, but not always.
But-
It's not cannot be make a principle that always we will believe his theory that is meant to delay the justice. So we can in the next time or by the time we can devise some instrument that through that we can find out the truth.
What is that? That is what we are asking. Obviously, we always know we can do something, but what is that something that is to be done?
To deputing, sir, a police officer maybe in civil dress, not in uniform, to find out the truth, and so that we can find out about the veracity of the.
Again, we are back to the same thing. The police officer would come, depose, file affidavit. He has to be cross-examined. An adverse order is to be passed. It will again prolong the whole thing.
That can be time
Can
bound,
you,
sir.
can you not simply say that we would follow the CRPC literally as it is provided, or BNSS as it now provides for? That
is
we will not grant adjournments, we will issue a warning, then not grant adjournments, and then impose causes.
Sir, that is our that is the primary duty of judiciary, sir.
Then why didn't you say so?
But circumstances also there are maybe some of that nature that it cannot be forced in mechanically. We will have to keep in mind the human rights also.
Last question is this point. If you grant 4 adjournments to one party and you grant 10 adjournments to the another party, while you genuinely believe that the party to whom you have granted 10 adjournments actually should be granted, if one party level allegations against you, what will you do? You will recuse yourself from the case,
So,
or you will reprimand them?
no, sir, first, if I'm confident that whenever I will take decision, then that will be fair. If I am fair and just, then I need not to blame myself. And depending on the circumstances, it may happen that one party may be granted more adjournments and other party may be granted with less. Yes.
The question,
When the defense of the defendant will struck off.
When the threat to the person, there is no threat and the threat is abolished, there
I am asking according to the Civil Procedure Code.
CPC.
When the defense of a defendant will struck off.
when he is not filing the written statement within time, sir.
And what is the time limit?
First 30 days, sir, of the notice, and then after that may be extended up to 90 days. After that, his defense may be struck down.
Suppose you are a judicial magistrate, or we can say civil judges only a division. Do you have the power to extend that time beyond the 90 days to file written statement?
Yes, sir. There is no any prohibition in Civil Procedure Code, depending on the circumstances and the sufficient cause. If the party is able to explain, then that may be extended.
Is there any maximum time period to file a written statement provided under the Code of Civil Procedure?
So first limit,
Maximum time period.
no, sir. There is no. Maximum is 30 days only, sir. After that, extension up to 90 days, and after that there is
After
no.
90 days,
After, depending upon the explanation of the sufficient cause and.
is there any
reasonable cause.
provision under the CRPC,
CPC.
CPC, sorry, which provides for the extension of the time period under the rules? Is there any specific section?
Sir,
There is a section, na, enlargement of time under CPC. Okay.
As it's 148. So I guess it's. I'm not sure about it.
Is there any provision under Limitation Act which extend or exempt the limitation to file suit?
For suit, there is no provisions. Sir, for applications, there is provision. Application, petition.
Only in applications.
Yes, for suit under section 3, it must be filed within the
Suppose
limitation
there is a
period.
limitation to file a suit for specific performance. The limitation is 3 years.
So,
the person came after 3 years, filed the suit, it is maintainable,
So it must be within the exception provided.
whether it's barred by limitation or not.
At the first instance, it's barred by limitation, but we will have to see that whether it comes under the exception
If you are a
provided.
judicial officer, can you exempt the limitation?
Depending upon the section, it is provided in the limitation act itself, sir.
If I
From
say
section
section
6 to-
5 of the limitation acts provide no relief to a suit, then
Sir, for suit, has been specifically provided from section 6 to 24.
Question is about section 5.
Section
it's
5,
about 5 of the limitation act. Whether section
no, sir,
5 of the
section
limitation act
5 not applicable to suits. Sir.
not applicable to suits. Are you sure?
I have read it, sir, in one of the decision of Supreme Court. Sir.
So, what's the remedy with that particular person whose suit is barred?
So,
So, is there any specific provision for the condonation of delay of filing of suits?
if his suit is not filing within the exception, then suit must be dismissed, sir, because he was sleeping.
What's
on
the
his-
remedy? See, I am asking the remedy. If a person is not able to file a suit within a time period that is prescribed by the limitation law, is there any specific remedy to condone that particular delay?
Sir, it depends upon nature, sir. He can go under Article 226 or
So, directly for writ.
227, sir, for breach
Against
of rights.
whom that writ would lie?
Sorry, sir.
Against which party he can file that writ petition? 226.
For request to the court only,
Just
sir.
tell me who will be the respondents?
And in that case,
Against
state,
the court.
State, sir.
The
State.
state has nothing to do. It is a dispute between the two parties. It is between you and me. State has nothing to do. How 226 will be maintainable?
State is not party in civil suits, no?
So,
226 is a remedy available against state only, which is defined under Article 12, which is under the definition of state. You wish to file a suit against a private party, that is not a state.
so for remedy,
Okay,
as-
let's suppose
Sir,
if suit is barred by limitation,
sir,
plaintiff come file the suit
sir,
along with the application under section 5 of the Limitation Act,
sir.
along with the application of 151 of CPC, then are you aware about 151 of CPC?
Yes, sir. The power of a court, inherent powers of the court.
And that is analogous to section what of CRPC?
482, sir.
And now new section?
5,
51?
529, sir.
So, what do you mean by inherent powers?
What is inherent?
Inherent powers, as the duty of the court is to do justice. So, to further any cause of justice, the powers in a court, those are inherent. Those.
Okay, just tell me this one thing, brother. Civil court, do you think a civil court is superior to court of a magistrate?
So, both are different branches, sir, for administration of
It is a
justice.
simple question. Do you think they are superior or not, or they are equal? It is a very simple question.
They are equal, sir.
They are equal.
Sir.
Then inherent power is granted in CPC to a civil court,
Sir.
but such inherent power is not granted to a magistrate, but only granted to the High Court. Why do you think so?
Sir, in criminal matters, the crime offense against affects the whole society at large. So there is a larger area involved in that, and the larger interest context, and the whole society may be affected by allowing the such procedure with the.
That is there, but then why such power is not given to the magistrate? Are you in any manner saying that magistrate would be incompetent to deal with that issue?
So as per your answer, we must give power to the magistrate to cater out these problems.
वो तो सुलझा लेगा नीचे झगड़े सारे.
Yes, sir. Because those powers are as the dealing with the criminal matters, sir. And criminal matters are.
Understood. This is what you have said to us.
Sir.
But why such power has not been given to a magistrate? Why only to the High Court? What is the jurisprudence behind it? That is what I am asking.
So the power comes with the responsibility.
So magistrate is not responsible. So
You are going to be a magistrate.
Degree of responsibility is.
So can we assume you will not be a magistrate? So can we say that you will only be a responsible civil judge but not a responsible
As a
magistrate?
magistrate.
No, sir, it's not like that, sir. But each and every right and power cannot be given at every stage, at each stage.
Why? That is what we are asking. If you do not know the jurisprudence, just say I do not know it. Don't try to take us here and there.
So Rakesh, my last question. So these inherent powers is actually given by the law to the courts, or they are with the courts itself?
They are with the court itself.
Okay. Any question, sir?
हो गया जी, हो गया.
So Rakesh,
Sir.
देखो अब बात आती है आपकी फीडबैक की, है ना.
Sir.
अभी तक तो जो था वो थोड़ा चल रहा था अपना.
Sir.
सी राकेश, एक तो ना कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत कम नज़र आ रहा है, मतलब यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योरसेल्फ,
Sir.
राइट. और जैसे काफ़ी सारे सर ने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे. सर ने बेसिकली एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपसे, डिफेंस स्ट्रक आउट कब होगा एज अ डिफेंडेंट.
Sir.
सो यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपरली, राइट. आप सीआरपीसी में चले गए डायरेक्टली, या जब सर स्पेसिफिकली डिफेंडेंट वर्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं. डिफेंडेंट इज ओनली इन सीपीसी, नॉट इन सीआरपीसी,
Sir.
राइट. एंड टू दी पॉइंट आंसर नहीं कर रहे, जैसे सर ने अभी कहा हेयर एंड देयर, घुमाई जा रहे हो बातों को.
If you don't know, say I don't know.
यस.
Sir.
सो दीज आर दी पॉइंट्स जिनके ऊपर आपको वर्क करना होगा. रेस्ट एक लीगल कंसेप्ट जो है आपके काफ़ी वीक हैं, एक बार रिविजिट करें अपने जो भी सिलेबस है, जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स उनको एक बार रिविजिट करें, राइट. दिस इज फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Sir.
और थोड़ा सा और कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा बूस्टअप करो. और इतने नर्वस क्यों, मतलब ऐसे इतने उदास क्यों?
Actually,
be
सर मैं
relaxed.
5:15 बजे से बस में बैठा हूँ सर.
वो आई तो
That is
5
okay.
घंटे से बस में ही.
तो चलो उसका तो सोल्यूशन ये निकाल लेंगे कि आप इंटरव्यू से एक दिन पहले आ जाओ.
हाँ.
उसका तो ये सोल्यूशन निकल गया.
बट चेहरे पे ना एक वो एनर्जी होनी चाहिए.
Yes,
आप पहले ही ढीले ढाले, वो पैनल जाते ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया 2 मिनट में बाहर.
हमसे तो बहुत वो समझदार
They
लोग हैं भाई.
have, they are the justice of, they are on the constitutional post, brother.
Sir.
They don't have so much time to observe.
Sir.
If they feel you are just unconfident or you are just hesitating like that, they will just done with you within 2 minutes and just you may go out. And it will not go to the score to up to that mark that you can be in selection, because you don't know about the marks
Yes,
of
sir.
your mains examination.
Yes, sir.
So the combination of marks of the main examination with the interview examination, you got selected.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is an opportunity to get the maximum marks in the interview.
Sir.
So for that, you have to be confident. You have to be very sound.
Sir.
Try to listen each and every word very carefully. Try to not to ask them to repeat any question.
Sir.
If you don't know anything, confidently say, "Sir, I don't know."
Sir.
That's from all my side.
थोड़ा सा ना
Sir.
इस तरफ से अगर बैठ जाता है आदमी,
हाँ,
चाहे मॉक में हो या अदरवाइज, तो थोड़ा रिलैक्स है. बिकॉज वी आर टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग ऑन दैट साइड, यू आर टू आंसर क्वेश्चन. सो अभी मैं पता नहीं मुझे आप थोड़ा सा ये आगे झुकना, कंधा थोड़ा ठीक है,
Just to be straight.
आराम से
Sir,
सीधे
straight.
बैठिए, कुर्सी की एडजस्टमेंट होती है.
Please.
वो 20 जो 25 मिनट होंगे ना राकेश, उसमें सबको सिर्फ दिखावा करना होता है. लेट अस बी वेरी कैंडिड अबाउट इट.
Yes, sir.
अगर आपके अंदर, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि जी कुर्सी, सपोज करो बहुत बार होगा, वो कुर्सी थोड़ी सी ऊंची होगी, पाँव नीचे नहीं लग रहे होंगे, बैठने में अनकंफर्टेबल है, कंधे में दर्द हो, वट एवर इज द रीजन,
Sir.
for those 10, 20, 25 minutes, you have to forget everything and you just have to present themselves that I am the only person who is the most suitable for the job. कंधे से ठीक करके बैठे आराम से, नहीं सर ऐसा है, यूँ भी नहीं हुए कि ऐसा लगे कि आप जा ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे हो,
जी।
यूँ भी नहीं हुए कि इतने नीक हो गए कि उन्हें लगे यार ये आदमी तो दब जाएगा.
जी सर.
एक पोस्चर सीधा, बिल्कुल साफ स्पष्ट, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस, पाँव ज़्यादा हिलना नहीं है, वैसे हिला नहीं आपको शुरू के अलावा, उसके बाद
सर.
ठीक है. एक चीज़ मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, हर आदमी को पता लग जाता है कि आपको आंसर किस चीज़ का पता है, किसका
नहीं पता एग्जैक्टली।
ये सबको पता लग जाता है। मैं आपसे पूछ लूँगा देश की राजधानी की, आप दिल्ली तुरंत बता दोगे।
सर
अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे ना जो पानीपत से तो आगे है और फरीदाबाद के सटती हुई है, तो यार वो नोएडा भी हो सकता है, वो तो गाजियाबाद भी हो सकता है ना।
हाँ सर।
तो इफ़ यू डो नॉट नो द आंसर, यू कैन सिंपली से, बिकॉज कई क्वेश्चंस के आंसर डायरेक्ट, जैसे इन्होंने पूछा था शिवाज जी ने कि सेक्शन 5 में सूट फाइल हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है। अब ये तो लॉ में सबको ही पता है कि सब डिपेंड अपॉन द फैक्ट्स एंड सर्कमस्टांसेस, वो तो फिर सारा ही कानून इतनी बात पर तो चल रहा है।
हाँ सर।
यू आर ओनली सिंपली टू से कि जो हो
Don't
सकता
go
है
be
कि नहीं।
logical.
से यस और नो।
Say yes or no.
Don't go be so logical.
सर
It will be like that, it will be like that. वो तो वो चीजें सारा दिन डील करते ही हैं, इसी चीज में डील करते हैं।
This is good when you are writing answer depending upon the fact and
हाँ जी।
circumstances. This
Justification.
will not work in interview,
हाँ सर।
right?
Fact and circumstances,
We
each
can-
case have
sir.
different circumstances, different facts.
Sir.
Justification is to be very much straight and correct.
As per the law.
सर
What is with the law? That is this. What are the facts? What are the circumstances? What are the nature? Every case has different facts, different nature, different circumstances. But at the end, it will be disposed of with a just a judicial mind justification. Yes, this is this. That's it.
Because being a lawyer, we are supposed to argue from this side also, that side also, and obviously we would be having 3 judgments इधर से भी उधर से भी, वो तो चलता रहता है।
जी सर।
आपको ये बोलना है कि इस सवाल का जवाब मुझे ही याद आ रहा है सर, मैंने एक जजमेंट पढ़ी थी, नाम है तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, साइटेशन तो और अच्छी बात है, और जी उसमें ये कहा गया था, सो दिस इज द आंसर।
सर
थोड़ा सा सटीक भी रहना है। जूरिस्प्रूडेंस में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, वहाँ तो आप फिलोसफी हो
तो सागर है brother. It's like a sea.
रिलैक्स।
Everything jurisprudence is.
अपना बोझ ना
Everywhere.
इन कोहनियों पे नहीं डालना है,
जी सर।
यूं यूं कंधे यूं झुका नहीं
सर।
है, रिलैक्स नहीं होना
Be
है,
straight.
रिलैक्स एंड स्ट्रेट।
आराम से बैठो रिलैक्स।
जी जी सर।
आपके जो मैं नज़र आ रहा ठीक है मेरे को, चलो आज आपने मुझे रीज़न बताया कि यू आर कमिंग जस्ट फ्रॉम द 5 बसेस, फेस के ऊपर आपके माथे के ऊपर टेंशन नज़र आ रही है।
हाँ टेंशन है,
ठीक है, वाई
थकावट नहीं है।
सर
हाँ, उसका अंदर है उसमें।
यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ जुडिशियल ऑफिसर, बी रिलैक्स, बी कॉन्फिडेंट। टेंस नहीं दिखाना है आपको, टेंस दिखेगा वो आपको टेंस समझ रही है, आपको फ्री कर देंगे
विद इन 5 मिनट्स वो आपको फ्री करते
2
हैं।
to 10 मिनट्स का उनके पास मैक्सिमम टाइम होता है, इससे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता।
टेंशन तो इस नौकरी में आती है,
Speak
थोड़ी
loudly.
आती है टेंशन, नौकरी में आएगी।
थोड़ा सा loud बोलो।
देन यू
Yes,
हैव
sir.
टू टेक
No?
टेंशन।
आप मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अंदर ही अंदर बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, थोड़ा सा लाउड बोले।
जी,
और
जी।
जब पैनल में से कोई आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ कर रहा है तो पूरे पैनल को आप आंसर करें।
जी,
आई
जी,
थिंक जब सर आपसे
Just-
क्वेश्चन पूछे तो आप सर से ही आई कांटेक्ट में थे, रेस्ट ऑफ द पैनल को आप भूल गए थे कि और भी आंसर सुन रहे हैं आपका।
तो शुरुआत में आपने यही किया जो
आई कांटेक्ट
बता रहे हैं,
ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर,
ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर इज मस्ट।
इसको ना स्टेज समझ, रंगमंच है,
सर
यू हैव टू एंटरटेन
सबको एंटरटेन करना
यू
है।
आर वन हु स्पीक एंड दे आर 5 to 6 to listen
सर।
and they are listening very carefully what are you saying.
ठीक है राकेश, एनी क्वेश्चन यू वांट टू आस्क?
सर क्या मैंने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की है क्योंकि मैं लो अभी नवंबर 23 में ही कंप्लीट हुआ। मैं मुंबई जॉब कर रहा था नेवी में सर। तो
नेवी में थे आप?
यस सर। तो नेवी से जैन 22 में रिटायर होता था, तब ओनली एग्जाम्स बचे हुए थे फाइनल ईयर, तो वो मैं
आर्मी
यहाँ के
ऑफिसर
दिन
तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं।
नेवी में डॉक में थे क्या?
है सर।
नेवी में कहाँ?
नेवल डॉकयार्ड
डॉकयार्ड में थे आप?
आर्म फोर्सेज में ही था सर, फौजी ही था, प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म।
हाँ हाँ वो तो
तो
आएगा।
आप में तो इतना
Training
कॉन्फिडेंस
तो
होना
सबकी
चाहिए।
होती है। आपको तो
Energy, confidence
कॉन्फिडेंस से
like that.
सर कभी कभी बोल रहे कि नेगेटिव, अगर आप ज़्यादा वो दिखाते हो तो नेगेटिव में भी चला
नहीं, 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 आप दिखा ही नहीं रहे हो।
it will give a great impact on them when if they ask what will you do
Yeah,
before
exactly.
that and you replied to that yes I was an
You
naval
are
officer.
you was an army
Sir.
person ना?
आपने ये बताना था हमें,
person.
बताया था सर मैंने, आज
आप-
सर शुरू में ही बताया था।
आपने तो बताया जी मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी की नौकरी करके पता नहीं क्या
नहीं नहीं,
बताया।
उसके बाद वो
बताएगा तुम्हें?
लास्ट में आपने सम अप कर दिया आपकी इंडियन ऑयल रिफाइनरी के साथ।
आपने इंडियन ऑयल रिफाइनरी मुंबई का कुछ पता लगा?
Every introduction start with an history, brother.
सर।
जितना बैकग्राउंड स्ट्रॉन्ग दोगे
Strong.
उतना ज्यादा
What
बेटर है।
you have already done that has to be specified first. Yes, earlier I was a Navy officer and so, and after that I complete my LLB.
और जब आप
on
नेवी
so and
ऑफिसर
so.
बोलोगे तो ध्यान रखिएगा अब इसी से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे।
सर
नेवी से
हाँ,
रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चन
नेवी से रिलेटेड तो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ
It's
सर,
an,
जो भी
it's an
रिसेंट
psychology of that interview bench. If they think yes you come from a field which is a very honest field,
Sir.
and you deliver a very great job if you are on that post.
Sir.
So it's a very great psychology they have if they know that yes, you are an army officer prior to that.
भाई प्रिजम्पशंस है ना,
Sir.
फौजी होगा, मेहनती होगा, ईमानदार होगा, काम के
मेहनती
प्रति
होगा, हार्ड वर्कर
सारा
होगा,
करेगा,
साउंड होगा,
सिंसियर होगा,
sincere
दूसरा
होगा,
वो
डिसिप्लिन्ड होगा,
शरारत में नहीं होगा।
माइंड में करके भी
तो उसका फायदा उठाने गए।
they give you score because there are 200 marks and
Sir.
as per what I feel from the last interview, the highest score 110. One of my brother got 107. So you have to be at least 100.
Sir.
At least.
देखो राकेश, नॉलेज टेस्ट नहीं है बेसिकली, वो पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट
वो तो हो चुका है नॉलेज
और
वाला।
वो आप उसी में फेल हो रहे हो,
Sir.
समझ रहे हो आप? तो इसको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करो। रेस्ट बेस्ट ऑफ लक फ्रॉम आवर साइड, अच्छा होगा, है ना?
कर ऐसा नहीं इम्प्रूवमेंट तो 4 दिन में हो जाती है, ये लंबा गेम नहीं है।
Every day, every minute is a part of improvisation. Don't worry
उस
about
20
it.
मिनट
Just
में अपने
go
आप को
with that.
दिखाना है। 21 में ना हो बेशक, निकलते ही कुछ और हो जाएगी, वहां रहना है बस, दैट इज द होल पॉइंट।
जी जी। सर मेरा फर्स्ट डे ही है इंटरव्यू 13 को ही।
इसीलिए हमने आपका
तो
पहले
बस
शेड्यूल किया
सही
है।
है, 10 दिन में तो बहुत ज्यादा हो
मैं
जाता
क्या एक बार फिर जैसे 12 को यहाँ आ जाऊँगा।
ऑफलाइन के लिए आप 6th को आ सकते हो दोबारा से।
6th को सर।
हाँ,
है। कहाँ से आते हो आप?
मैं पानीपत से आता हूँ।
ला कोई बात ही नहीं।
6th को आ सकते हो। 6th को हमारा लास्ट है, 6th के बाद ऑफलाइन नहीं होंगे, फिर ऑनलाइन ही होंगे।
जी जी।
हाँ, 6th को आप एक बार दोबारा अटेंड करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
फिर अच्छा होगा, थोड़ा सा ये ना सर सिलेबस भी एक बार रिवाइज करना है। मेंस
देखो
के
वो
बाद-
तो सारी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी पड़ेंगी राकेश, है ना?
जी सर।
ये
You
ठीक है।
have 9 days to go.
यस सर।
On the 10th day, you are before the real bench.
सर।
Okay? So forget about everything in the 9 days. Just do
सर।
to improve yourself, improve your confidence, improve your knowledge,
सर।
revise everything, whatever you want to revise that, which make you best. New laws, comparison of new laws with the old laws. Do everything. You have 9 days is enough.
यस सर।
Wish you all the best.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू।
Yes, thank you
Best of
sir।
luck.
बेस्ट हो लगे, बेस्ट हो लगे।